Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen IT Learning. If you've ever used Google Drive just to upload files, then trust me, you're missing out on 90% of what it can do. In today's video, I'll show you everything about Google Drive, from beginner to pro level. We'll cover how to upload, organize, share, collaborate, and even secret tricks most people don't know. By the end of this video, your drive will look clean, professional, and super efficient. So, let's get started. Google Drive is Google's cloud storage platform, meaning you can store your files online and access them anywhere, anytime, from any device. You get 15 GB of free storage, which is shared across Gmail, Photos, and Drive. It supports all file types: documents, images, videos, zip files, even Photoshop or code files. Basically, it's your digital backpack that follows you everywhere. To upload something, click the plus new button on the left. You'll see two options: File Upload for single files, Folder Upload for full folders. Once uploaded, it automatically syncs with your Google account. So if you log in from another PC, laptop, or phone, boom, your files are already there. If your internet is slow, right-click a file, Make Available Offline. That way, you can open it without Wi-Fi. A messy drive is just as bad as a messy desk. Let's make it neat. 1. Create folders for categories like college, work, projects, certificates. 2. Color code folders. Right-click, change color, pick your vibe. 3. Use emojis or icons in names, like study notes or YouTube scripts. Bonus trick: put important folders at the top by adding 00 before their names. Here's where Google Drive gets really powerful. When you click Share, you can add people via email, choose if they can view, comment, or edit example. You can share a document with your teacher or teammate for collaboration. Everyone can work live on the same file, no email attachments needed. If you want to share publicly, click Get Link. Anyone with the link, view only. When you're done sharing, always check your file permissions again, to avoid random people editing your work later. You can create entire projects inside Drive. Click Plus New, Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. These are Google's versions of MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all stored automatically in your Drive. No software needed. Everything is online and collaborative. So even if your laptop crashes, your progress is 100% safe. Once your drive fills up, searching becomes key. At the top, there's a search bar, but here's the secret. Click the small filter icon. Now you can search by file type, docs, PDF, videos, owner, you or others, date, modified file size. It's like having a mini Google inside your drive. Your drive has personal and sometimes sensitive info, so security matters. Turn on two-step verification in your Google account, so even if someone gets your password, they can't access your files. Also, install Google Drive for desktop. It automatically backs up your computer folders into Drive. If your system crashes, your files are safe forever. Let's turn you from a regular user into a Drive master. Keyboard shortcuts: Shift plus T, new doc, Shift plus P, new slide. Quick search version. History, right-click, manage versions, restore any old version of your file. Quick access panel. Drive's top section shows your most used files. Great for daily work. AI Smart Search, new in 2025. Google Drive now uses AI to auto-suggest related files and emails, making it faster than ever. And that's your complete guide to Google Drive, from beginner to pro. You've learned how to upload, organize, share, and even master hidden tricks that most users don't know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly tech tips, and share this with your friends, especially students who need to level up their computer skills. Next up, we'll talk about Online Safety 101, how to stay safe on the internet. Trust me, that's a video everyone should watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.